Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response, the wonderful feedback and the comments that you are sending my way. And thank you so much for the donations and energy exchange that some of you have sent. I'm really glad to know that the readings are resonating with you. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you beautiful people. This is a reading to let you know what blessings are coming your way or what you're going to be blessed with. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck with the golden quartz crystal. This is pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. And this is pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck with the amethyst crystal. Please take your time, choose your pile. Think about any situation that is bothering you or you want to know the outcome or generally what blessings you want in any situation. It could be relationships, career, anything on your mind. You could put the video on hold. See which cards are calling you. Try and tap into the energies of these cards. It's very important for you to get into the cards and, concentrate and choose your pile. You could also connect with the crystals if the cards are not, very if the cards are not calling you or if you're finding it difficult to get into these cards, you choose the crystals also. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1. Blessings coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 1, there is some kind of a weight on your mind. You're waiting for something to happen. And also, maybe it could have been a negative period or there is some kind of a stress on your mind, this waiting. Maybe some of you are struggling with some kind of, either you're putting in too much effort into something and your results are delayed or anything on those lines. So yes, success is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. Victory lies ahead if you've chosen this pile. And something regarding your family, your relationships, especially family bonding is, if that's something that's on your mind, the cards are definitely assuring you that you are being blessed with a wonderful family life. People who've chosen this particular pile for relationships, let me assure you that your relationship is here to bloom. You're going to be blessed with a wonderful relationship. If you're waiting for the relationship to move forward or take it forward, or something on your mind regarding your person, maybe something has happened, anything on those lines, negative phase is ready to end and a beautiful phase awaits you. People who've chosen pile number 1, control is coming to you. Your patience or your hard work or that wait that you've had all this while is now ready to give you the results that you've been waiting for. And everything that you've desired or anything that you've put in your efforts, this is the time that you will feel that, all right, now things have come under control. Everything is moving the way I want things to move. A beautiful time to people start a family, marriage, ceremonies, celebration, having a child, planning a family, anything on those lines. You will be blessed with whatever you plan. So pile number 1 is for people who are thinking on those lines. Maybe you've had a feeling that you've really waited a long time for this something to happen on any front. So now that feeling of success, or maybe in the past you felt that, okay, now your patience is getting finally over, that struggle is not finishing. You felt that I just need to move away, I'm not being helped by anybody, anything on those lines. Maybe financial help you required and things weren't moving the way you wanted to. Now things will start happening the way you want them to. The fighting spirit, the achieving spirit is here, and the universe and the divine is here to bless you. There will be divine intervention in anything that you do. Success is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 1. And also, just do your effort, and even if you're waiting patiently, keep that patience. You will be blessed by the divine on your own. Your hard work will pay, and just leave everything to destiny. You've done your hard work, you've done your best, you're doing it still. And anything on your mind, maybe there was some kind of a confusion, especially on the relationship front, or anything on the partnership front in a business or work, something with your colleagues, there was an argument, a quarrel, anything on those lines. The negative phase is here to move away. The wait is ready to finish. I see you meeting your person whether it's on the relationship front or there is a reunion on the cards, meeting your friends. Like I said in the beginning, that this is a wonderful time to bond with your family. Relationships are here to flourish. People who've chosen pile number 1, it could be any relationship, be it friends, family, relatives, or your special relationship with your loved one, your wife, anything on those lines. Things are ready to move forward. New opportunities await you. So leave away the stress. Maybe you were ignoring a lot of things because you felt that things were not in your hands. Maybe you were overburdened. Some of you were feeling really overburdened, exhausted while putting the hard work in. Stress was at its peak for people who chose pile number 1. You were, like I said, you were trying to get some kind of a help, but it didn't really work out for you. So now is the time, like, partnerships are here to bloom. Your responsibilities will start getting less day by day, or a feeling of, you might have had an emotional turmoil that was troubling you, and you were not able to come out of your feelings. Everything was just getting stored inside. So release your negativities, release all the negative energies on your mind, release that burden, the exhaustion, release the anxiety, and try and move forward. If you were confused regarding anything, you will get your answers very soon. And things, like I've said in the beginning also, things are coming under control for people who've chosen pile number 1. And also, celebration lies ahead. You will be guided by the universe to take you in the right direction. Please surrender. Please leave everything to the Almighty, to the divine. Believe in the divine plan, and peace, prosperity, love, everything on those lines. A very positive period for those people who've chosen pile number 1 lies ahead for you. On any front, victory is here for people who've chosen pile number 1. Success on any front, anything that's been on your mind is now ready to come to you. Angel of miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. People who've chosen pile number 1, that's what the mystic Monday, the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you. It is a time for you to just leave everything to the divine plan, surrender everything, wait for the miracle to happen. Believe, think big for your future. Think that yes, this can happen. Believe in your potential. Believe that whatever efforts you've put in are here now to be given a result. Be grateful for all that you have, and the universe will give you even more. Don't be disheartened if you had a tough past or a extremely exhausting or an anxious time in the past. Now is the time to just leave all your worries and be happy. Surrender. Surrendering is the key. Your blessings are here. They are awaiting you, but only if you are ready to let go. Learn to let go. Letting go right now is the message for you people who've chosen pile number 1. Let go of the past. Believe that the divine has a plan for you, and a beautiful plan for you. And also believe that whatever efforts you've put in are of the best or of your best potential. You've done your best and you will get the best results possible. And release all the negativity, people who've chosen pile number 1, and just be prepared for the wonderful blessings that are awaiting you. So that was for you, pile number 1. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave your comments and feedbacks in the comment section if the reading resonated. Also, please keep following my channel for more such readings. I'll be coming back soon. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who chose pile number 2, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck and the Tiger's Eye Crystal. What blessings are coming to you? there might be some kind of a stagnancy or some kind of a, yes, an extreme level of stress, exhaustion, anxiety is already going on for people who've chosen pile number 2, and maybe things are slowly moving or are not really moving. You yourself don't know which direction you need to go to. It's a lot of clutter, mess. Maybe your mind is not working on into which direction you need to go to or what you need to think. So yes, the universe is finally here to bless you with everything that you need, and this exhaustion, this whole negative phase is ready to end. And also, people who've chosen pile number 2, the cards are suggesting that you really need to remove this negativity. You might have to have a bath with rock salt water for the next 10 days. It's really going to help you clear off this negativity. Sudden fortunes, new unexpected fortune or unexpected gains coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 2, 6.5 weeks for you to actually get these blessings or get this satisfaction that you've been really wanting to. But yes, satisfaction and achievement, accomplishment lies on the cards. You will be, your whatever hard work, whatever stress, whatever anxiety that you've taken in the past is now ready to finally give you the fruits of your labor. People who've chosen pile number 2 for any kind of financial reading or financial blessings, the cards are very positive for you, and you will either get financial gains or that aid that you've been wanting to. Maybe you needed some funds for some kind of a project or work or anything on those lines. Things are going to be working for you. Believe that the universe is ready to help you, and yes, just surrender, leave this anxiety, surrender to the universe, surrender to the divine for your answers. Also, for people who've chosen pile number 2, there is a complete 360-degree change that's coming your way. Maybe you people, some of you might shift there. I see movement, maybe travel is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. You just need to keep up the spirit of achieving. The fire element needs to be tapped in yourself. Do not give up, do not lose hope. You might have left some things because you felt that it was not the right time. You've ignored a lot of things, and maybe that's given you a lot of stress in the past. I definitely see a lot of stress for people who've chosen pile number 2 in the past. Your results haven't come. You didn't really, some people, you might not have had friends. You might have had a issue with your partner. Your relationship might be suffering. A feeling of just giving up. A feeling of just moving away from everybody. Not wanting to be social, maybe just wanting to walk away from society. That's something that was coming, that was going on in your mind. Lot of confusion. Everything is ready to now take a back seat. This struggle is here to end for people who've chosen pile number 2. You will be, just go with the flow where the divine is taking you, where the almighty is taking you, the universe is taking you in the right direction. Focus on the things that you had ignored. Listen to your intuition, connect with yourself. Retrospection, introspection is very essential at this point in time. People who've chosen pile number 2, you will be guided by your own higher self to get answers, to go in the right direction. Your gut feeling is very strong, and 28 days from now, everything will be set for you. You will have a plan. You will need to just execute your plan. Everything will be under, in front of you on a platter, on a slate. You would have chalked out your plan. Balance is the key. Balance is coming to you very soon. Your yin and yang will be blessed, will be balanced together, and your mind will be free of all the stress, all the anxiety, all the exhaustion, all the clutter, the confusion that's on your mind at the moment. Peace, prosperity is on the cards for people who've chosen this pile. You will be blessed with everything that you desire. The universe is here to give you whatever you've put in. Balance is coming to you. Whatever you have put in is, your results are going to be on the basis of that. And I see that you've put in a lot of hard work. People who've chosen pile number 2, a wonderful time for financial gains. Again, I'm repeating, anything on those lines, a new business, a new venture on your mind, a change of job, movement, like I said, maybe you wanted to buy a new house. anything. Just let go of the past, believe in the universe. 3.5 weeks from now, you will be ready to just take the plunge. A new tomorrow awaits you. A new beginning is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2, and a beautiful future. Things will be under your control. People who've chosen this pile and have felt that relationships are going out of hand, or your person is not really, adapting to you, everything will work out for you. And like I said, your hard work, any those efforts that you are putting in at this point in time are going to give you the best results. 4 to 8 days for a lot of you people who've chosen pile number 2, you will start feeling that things have started getting back into place, balance has started coming back in life, and whatever you've desired, whatever control you wanted to gain is coming to you. People who've chosen pile number 2, reunion, meeting your person, getting things cleared, clutter is going off, is all on the cards. Just hang in there. This is a negative period that you faced, but don't lose hope, don't walk away. Keep pushing yourself, keep putting your efforts. I see that there has been confusion on your mind. Partnerships are ready to flourish. Maybe new partnerships or old partnerships, anything just regains that momentum. Relationships again are here to stay. 24 days from now, a lot of new beginnings, new hopes. Like I said, 3.5 weeks for a lot of you, exactly that's the time period. Be ready to let go and set off on a new platform, on a new beginning. A fiery climax approaches for people who've chosen pile number 2. The Moonology cards have also, confirmed that whatever your situation is at this time, just push yourself, hang in there. This is just the climax of this situation. Conclusions are within reach. That's the guidance for you. That's coming from the Moonology cards. A personal issue reaches resolution. So like I said, for people who are in relationships and have had trouble in the past or are still going on with a lot of issues, everything is coming to a resolution. Things are getting concluded and new beginnings are on the cards for you. Have faith in your dreams. Let go of the past and have faith in your dreams. Believe in your dreams, that nothing is within, nothing is not in your hand. Everything is within reach. It's time to take action. So just push yourself. People who've chosen pile number 2, the universe is here to bless you. Work through your fears. Push yourself. Don't think that this is not possible. Believe in the impossible. Also bring love into the situation. People who've chosen pile number 2, any issues that you've had with your person or with anybody on any front, relationships, work, maybe things are not happening, so you're losing that love in the situation. Any situation it could be. So bring back the love, bring back the passion that you have. Be compassionate for anything that's on your mind, and prosperity lies ahead for people who've chosen pile number 2. That's what the cards are suggesting you. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section if the reading was resonant. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Art of Tarot deck and the Amethyst crystal. People who've chosen pile number 3, I already see that the situation is very balanced at the moment. Your efforts, your hard work, anything on those lines, whatever you've put in is already there on the cards. You are already blessed with a positive time, and a beautiful time for people who've chosen this pile. This is a new beginning already that has taken place, and you're ready to just get set, go, just jump off the cliff without really thinking about what is in store for you. And don't have the fear of the unknown. Just believe that the universe has a plan, that your intuition, your gut feeling is telling you the right thing. Your gut feeling and intuition is very strong. So meditate. Meditation will really help you to get the best, potential out of yourself. Peace, prosperity and good health, success lies ahead. You are already blessed. I see that. And also I see that any dullness, any stagnancy that has been maybe coming from the past or some kind of a stress, that's all just fading away, and perfection, satisfaction, feeling of accomplishment. A beautiful phase lies ahead for people who've chosen pile number 3. Family life, relationships are here to flourish. Balance is that what you're actually being given by the universe, and a beautiful time for people who've chosen this pile for finances. A new business, a venture, success lies for you on the career front. Relationships are here to bloom, whether there was a stress in the relationship in the past or everything is going on well. It's again a general reading, so it's an individual thing, but reunion with your person is definitely on the cards, or just being in a wonderful relationship for those of you who are already in a wonderful relationship is, you know, is set for you by the universe. Do not fear of the unknown. Just go ahead, follow your intuition. Anybody who's chosen this pile for knowing, you know, how somebody feels about you, or how the society feels about you, or how your work colleagues, any of those things, your image, if that's what is, you know, concerning you, it's a beautiful, you know, feeling that people around you are very positive about you. They feel very well about you. Your image in the society, in the social circle, anything on those lines is very polished, it's very creative, it's very positive. And also, this is a wonderful time for you to make a wish. People who've chosen pile number 3, just ask the universe for granting you this wish with open arms. Any request, anything that's on your mind is getting fulfilled for people who've chosen pile number 3. Also, any help that you require on any front is coming, you know, it's just getting fulfilled in no time. Contentment is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. You're being blessed with contentment, and I think that's a beautiful thing. Also, the feeling of success, victory, anything that you put your foot into at this point in time is a yes, is a complete positive yes for people who've chosen pile number 3. Any confusions on any front regarding whether it's a relationship, whether to be, whether not to be, just listen to your intuition. And do not fear, like I said, do not fear the unknown, do not fear deception. Believe in the people who are around you. Also, only people who've chosen this pile for knowing whether to go ahead with a partnership or not, or a new commitment that's, you know, coming your way, just make sure that you have done your, you know, all your homework, all your spade work well. Just do not sign any papers without really checking them, and don't rush into anything. Just give yourself the time. Everything is with you, things are very positive, but don't just rush into anything that comes in front of you. Do your spade work and then go ahead. It is definitely a time for change, and a positive change for people who've chosen pile number 3. And for most of you, I already see that it has started, you know, while this time has already started for you. People who've chosen women, this is a wonderful time for women who've chosen pile number 3. Anything on those lines regarding financial independent or starting to work, or on anything on those lines is, you know, in store for you. And this is a wonderful time to start your anything that's on your mind, whether your own work, own business venture, or getting a new job, doing anything which makes you feel independent, or you want that financial independent. It's a beautiful time which is there for you. Maybe some of you feel that your expectations are not being fulfilled, but be rest assured that everything is, you know, coming to place, and it's just the last piece of the puzzle that might be not, you know, completed or something, but that's all gonna happen soon. 75 to 85% of your expectations on any front are getting fulfilled. People who've chosen pile number 3, your wait is over, and your person over here is ready to stay. In the relationship front, it is a beautiful time that's approaching you. New beginnings, higher education, anything of those lines is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. Marriage, ceremonies, engagements, you know, anything on your situation is a positive outcome that is in store for you. So the cards are very positive and are blessing you. You know, the universe is blessing you with anything that you desire. Leave away the confusions, listen to your intuition and rest. Believe that the universe has a plan for you, and do not have the fear of the unknown. Just go ahead, take the plunge, and leave rest to destiny, leave rest to the divine to make it possible for you. That's what the cards are telling you to do. You will triumph over all the obstacles and the stumbling blocks, if any, come in your way. Also, your ambitions will drive you forward and generate a lot of strength in you. That's what the miracle cards are telling you. So the cards are telling you to just have a lot of faith and confidence in your life and in your dreams. You will be gifted with the power to heal yourself and also spread a lot of positivity around you. Your aura is extremely positive at this time. So please remember, just do not get angry at this point in time, because it's a beautiful phase that you have just entered your life, and you've just entered in this positive phase, and the cards and the angels who are watching over you are very powerful and are bestowing angel luck on you. So be assured that you need to be very positive. No negativity should be there, because the angels are always going to be watching and protecting you and are going to be guiding you. So like I said, you make a wish and it comes true. So anything positive that you utter might just turn into reality. So be very clear, expect miracles and inner guidance. So that's what the miracle cards are confirming, that inner guidance that only comes with a lot of meditation. You need to just work on your intuition. You need to work on getting answers. Your gut feeling should give you the answers, because that's very powerful for people who've chosen this pile. Look beyond yourself and do not be afraid to aim high. Be grateful for all that you have. Be in an attitude of gratitude. And also the cards are telling you to find happiness in the simplest things that life has to offer. So remember that the clarity of thought will be attained by being in a very calm and in a very grounded situation. Praying will really help you to seek guidance, and all your troubles and worries will soon just fade away in no time, if there are any at this point in time, because I already see for a lot of you things are very positive for people who've chosen pile number 3, and they have already started happening. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section, and please let me know if the reading resonated. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.